Hello everyone, you are watching Jeff Shamsi YouTube channel. GE air conditioner displaying the E8 error code typically indicate a problem with the compressor overheating, a faulty temperature sensor or communication error. To resolve this, first perform a system reset by turning the unit off and on again. Next, clean the air filters and the condenser coils to ensure proper airflow. If the problem persists, inspect the temperature sensor for damage or loose connection. If you still have issues, a professional should be consulted to check the control board or compressor for faults, as it may require part replacement.